Week 2 of health scriptures. So this week I want to talk about 1 Corinthians 10:23, which says, all things are lawful for me, but not all things are helpful. All things are lawful for me, but not all things edify. And some, they talk about it not being beneficial or constructive. So there are other translations. So what I wanted to talk about with this, there's actually different parts of our being, our lives, where this applies. The things that we are thinking to do, things that we are considering doing, things that we had been doing, may not be bad things, but they may not be good for us at this time. So for physical, and I deal with this a lot as a health coach, there are some people that are allergic to peanuts. Well, they shouldn't have peanuts. Not that peanuts is bad, but they're not good for that person. There may be times where you're trying to do something with your health where that particular thing, which is not a bad thing, is not good for you right now. Like for me, I used to have coffee with caffeine in it. Didn't really have much of a problem. Well, now I do. So I drink decaf. Not that coffee with caffeine is bad, but it's not good for me right now. Then there are things that are emotional, mental, where you can be with some people and they may need you. They may need help. They may need encouragement. But then there are some people, and you may be going through a lot right now, where you can't give that person what they need. That person may need like a therapist or something like that. You can't handle everything that person needs. And we need to know where we need to stop certain things. In business, there are things that you could do for your business, lots and lots of different things. Not that they're all bad things, but we need to prioritize those things that are important for the moment for our business. Then there are financial things. So you can, if you have a lot of money, you can do a lot of things. If you're saving money for a house or something like that, you may need to prioritize the saving and not so much the going out to dinner or the buying of this or that, those kind of things. And then there are the spiritual things. So when I first became a Christian, I could not handle a lot of the other things that I do now. The relationship that I had with the Lord was very simplistic when I first became a Christian. So there are lots and lots of things that are good for people that are not necessarily bad things that we need to pick and choose, either because it's not good for us, we're allergic to peanuts, or it's not good for us at this time, I can't have caffeine, or it's not something we can provide, like in the case of this friend that needs more than we can do, or it's not the time right now, we need to save money, or it's not in our capacity yet because spiritually we're not there. So anyway, I just wanted to bring that to you because sometimes I think people, we think that the things that we don't want to do are bad things, or we should want to do them because they're good things, but really there's a time and a place for everything. And so everything is lawful for me, but not all things are helpful or edify, or as they say, beneficial or constructive for us or for the moment. Just something to think on.